Hello, good morning. Welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. So this is Murahari sir, and for the last few episodes you are watching my channel and supporting a lot. Thank you one and all once again. And for the last 18 years I am training the students on Abacus, Vedic Maths and regular maths. So among those few students are requested to teach a topic which is useful for the school curriculum and also for the competitive exams, the person who will go for competitive exams. So the thing is, the topic name is percentages. So today, in today's episode, we are going to deal with percentages. So first of all, we should know what is percentage, right? So now today's our topic is percentage. If it is given 3/4%, so 3/4% means divided by 100. So now here you have to understand one thing. This 4 will come down or this 100 will go up. This is a confusion for many students. I'll explain. A by B whole divided by C. This is one part. A by B by C. This is second part. First part, second part. You try to understand. This is numerator. This is denominator. So this is the main line dividing the equation. Again, this is also denominator. Whenever it is, so you can write A by B into C. This denominator and this denominator will come down. Similarly, this is numerator, there is no denominator. Again here a numerator and a denominator is there. So whenever you find like this, this part will go up. That is AC by B. So this is the only difference you have to learn. Similarly, here 3/4 is one part, whole divided by 100. So numerator and denominator, again denominator. So 3/4 into 100 we can write. That is 3/400 also we can do it. Okay. So one more thing. If anyone asks you to find out 75% in fraction, convert, or you can call convert 75% in fraction. So 75% means 75 by 100. Is there any chances to get cancelled in the same table? Yes. 5 ones are 5, 2 will remain, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are. That means 15 by 20 is also a fraction. Again 5 3s are 5 4s are, which is equal to 3/4. So finally 75% can also be written as 3/4 of the 4. Suppose if you want to convert this into percentage, you have to just multiply it by 100. Okay, then what will come? 3 into 100 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 25s are, which is equal to 3 into 25, which is equal to 75. Isn't it? So converting 75 is a fraction and fraction as percentage. So we have to multiply with 100. These are the basic things you are supposed to follow. Then only you can get any type of question in percentage. So people will say that I got 45% of marks in maths, 65% in science, suppose. So generally the marks in the school level or in the college level calculates for 100. That means nothing but 45 by 100. That's it. And 65% means 65 by 100. In this way we calculate the thing. Suppose instead of this one, if it is 80 and this is also for 60, suppose. So 45% means by 100 into 80. or before this I will tell. Before this, one more point, 45% means 45 by 100. So generally we calculate for 100, so 100 get cancelled, so you got 45 marks. Here 65 by 100 into 100 get cancelled, you got 65 marks. Suppose if it is 80, so how you calculate? 45% of 80, that is 45 by 100 into 80, 0 get cancelled. Here 2 5s are, 2 4s are will get cancelled, 5 1s are, 5 9s are. So 9 into 4, which is equal to 36. That means this fellow got 36 out of 80 marks. So in this way we have to convert it. Similarly here 65% means 65 100 into 60, 0 get cancelled. So 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 13s are. So 13 into 3 left, that is 39. That means he got 39 marks out of 60 marks. So in that way we calculate percentages here. Okay. So I'll give one more example. Okay. So here I wrote a question. Now it's a reverse question. Now he did not give any percent. Now you have to find out what percent of 50 for what percent of 40 is 10. So how you write? Let x be the percent. Okay, so x percent of 40 is 10. This is the equation. That is x by 100. I told percent means by 100 only. It may be x or it may be any number of into 40 is equal to 10. 0 get cancelled. X by 10 into 4 is equal to 10. So I'll continue here. X into 4 by 10 is equal to 10. X into 4 is equal to 10. This denominator will go to the numerator on the other side. So x is equal to 10 into 10 by 4. So x is equal to 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So 5 into 5. So finally x is equal to 25. So 25% of 40 will be 10. So in this way we can find out percentages. So hope you understood the concept clearly. If at all any doubts, you can send a message to my number or write a comment on that. I can reply you. Okay, and I hope you are following from the beginning of my videos. So this may be around nearly is coming up to 50th video. So hope you understood step by step format, and in the coming videos also we are going to plan different topics so that it will be useful for a long time for you. So thank you very much once again for watching my channel and subscribing, and you are also sending the link to others also. Thank you very much. Okay.